Innovation plays a vital role in health sector. We hear about cutting-edge research and innovation, but it takes a lot of scientific expertise to introduce all these new ideas into health organization. By applying the latest technology and using the cutting-edge science, so innovation is driving forward the adoption of new technology that will improve the quality of patient care across the world. Technology and innovation touches all aspects of our healthcare throughout our life, from before we've been born until after we die. A disruptive innovation is an innovation that creates a new market and value network and eventually disrupts an existing market, displacing existing market-leading firm products and alliances. The term was defined and analyzed by Clinton Christensen, beginning in 1995. Not all innovations are disruptive. In every market, there is a trajectory of performance improvement that customers are able to make use of, but where this trajectory lies is different from one customer from the next. Some customers can be satisfied by the very basic level of performance. Some others are very demanding and will only feel satisfied by the very high level of performance from a technology. Disruptive technology enters the market offering very low performance, but their performance steadily improves. So in the early days of disruptive technology, the new innovation is considered to be not good enough by the most of the market, but it seems perfectly acceptable to those customers that never really asked for more. This small group of customers might be attracted by the fact that this bare good enough technology is less expensive or offers them a bit of new functionality that the old technology simply didn't provide. Most of the suggestions that change patient care were at the interface of specialties. This is two things combined together, as you say, to make things different for the future. So let's go ahead with innovation in robotic surgery. An extension of physician hands. Robotic surgery provides pinpoint accuracy, and the advances in the field range from the development of more accurate planning tools and software to increase automation of tasks during surgery. Precision surgery arms designed for proper instrument positioning and implantation during spinal surgery increase surgeon precision, automating the bronchoscopy process avoids incisions with the insertion of flexible tubes through the body's natural opening, using a control-like interface. This advancement increases accuracy and safety, while decreases in safeness and cost. Robotization is also rich in vascular procedures like percutaneous coronary intervention (PCI) and peripheral vascular intervention (PVI), which traditionally requires surgeon to wear leg. Using robotics now lowers the risk for patient and surgeon while improving outcomes. Robotic surgery provides precision, flexibility, and control compared with shortened recovery time and limited pain. Patient benefits from the continued advancement in the field. Here comes the question: is robotic surgery a disruptive innovation? Robotic by itself is not new to medicine. It's been there since the year 2000 and applied frequently every day all over the world. What's new is really the spread of the robotics all over the subspecialties. Why robotic surgery is a disruptive innovation? According to Christensen, Viner, and McDonald, the theory has been misinterpreted generally, and they address the several points to explain it. Disruption is a process, and it produces a business model. Disruptive technology does not always succeed. Robotic surgery does meet these three requirements. First of all, the development of robotic surgery is a long process. It primarily appeared with the first pioneer clinical application of Puma 560 in 1985. Then the surgical robots have kept evolving and reforming after 3 decades until today's Da Vinci surgery system. Secondly, In the evolution of robotic surgery, it also produced a great business model since comparing the first prototype of robotic surgery, which is limited to some certain patients in the past. Today, the patient and the hospital worldwide have easy access to the Da Vinci surgery system. The market of robotic surgery has been growing expeditiously, as reported by global data. The global robotic surgery system market is expected to grow 13.5% annually and reach a market size of $2 billion in 2024. Thirdly, robotic surgery is still developing and has been criticized concerning length operative period and its high cost. Thus, this scenario suits the third condition. There is still room for improvement concerning footholds of the low-end or new market. As we can see from the above cases, robotic surgery has made incremental progress and started its journey of adoption and diffusion. I think we are still in the early phase of robotics and just touching to this vast field. Currently, in the field of robotic surgery, the promise of simplicity has yet to be translated into daily practice. Furthermore, the evidence regarding cost efficacy and gross margin has been poorly documented, so that decisions regarding the adoption of robotic surgery remain controversial. The adoption and diffusion of robotic surgery demonstrate a positive trend in some geographic areas, particularly for advanced economies. While it does exist in advanced health systems, it's still very hard to shift the existing model of care and their incumbent organization. There are some final thoughts about this video vlog. We have to think about the potential factors that make innovation can be adopted in the future or make them more successful. In the future, I believe technology will be more available. Some of them are on your phone, some of them are on many aspects we deal with every day. Obviously, the first task would be to put some of these applications together to enhance what we have in robotics today. Today's robotics is just an extension of surgeon hands and eyes. What we want to achieve is another level where the robotic helps the surgeon and the surgeon team to explore and deliver more precise procedures.